Who's still using these? Y'all recognize that? Who's still using those? Those are those plastic containers that you can meal prep in. And you know, you can even get them with the clear and different colored lids from different places. Who's still using those? And do you heat your food up in them? And did you know that heating your food in plastic containers can cause chemicals to leach out into your food? Have you ever had like heated up something like soup or spaghetti or some type of sauce and you saw where it had stained the plastic container? Did you know that when you heat up food in plastic containers, it causes the plastic to become more porous, and that it actually can break apart the chemical bonds of that plastic? And guess where it goes? And did you also know that those chemicals could block like the natural hormones in your body that kind of like regulate sleep, regulate mood? So we threw out those plastic containers and we ordered from this Joyful company. Now you get 12 glass containers. You're gonna get 4 round containers. Maybe I should show the square ones too. I'm using a lot of them in the fridge right now, but you get 4 square containers and they kind of graduate from small to large. That was a medium one. This is the very smallest one. That's the largest one. And the lids to go to them, 12 of them. You also get round and you get the rectangle. So it's a really great deal to get you started on these containers. Because one other thing, this can be especially important for people who are doing like, who's taking like hormone replacement therapy, who has hormone disorders or something like that, is especially concerning for you. But anyway, grab you some down there. I'm not saying that this is for educational and entertainment purposes only, because I don't want TikTok to get on me for making medical claims. But yeah, go look it up. Go Google it. Go TikTok. Go do whatever you want to do to it. But the first thing you do is you need to grab some of these Joyful glass containers.